Hello everyone, welcome back to 90 Addiction. Today's video we have a lot of ideas about money plant. Money plants is also known as pothos. Money plants are the popular indoor plants known by trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. There are not only aesthetical pleasing but also have a several benefits. Here are some ideas, some usage, some benefit and approximate some prices estimate with the money plants. If you like these ideas, like the video and also press the bell icon of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest more interested videos. So this video is for you if you are interested in gardening, if you are interested in decorative indoor ideas, if you are interested in plants. So keep watch till the end. So let's start it. Here are some ideas, some usage and some benefits. So number one idea for you, which is decorative purpose. Money plants are commonly used as a decorative plants in the home, offices and the other indoor spaces. Their lush green foliage and cascading vines and enhance the beauty of any room. This one is the first idea for you, which is decorative purpose. Money plants used as a decorative purpose. Number two is air purification. Money plants are excellent air purifiers. They help in removing toxins like a formaldehyde, benzene, xylene from the air, which can emitted by furniture, carpets and household cleaning products. So this one is the second usage of money plant air purification. Money plant is a usage air purification in the room, in the house or in the home. Number three, which is idea for you of money plants, stress reduction. This one is the main important idea or usage of money plant. Researchers suggested that being out around indoor plants, including money plants, can reduce stress levels and improve overall well-being. They create a calming and soothing environment in that type of particular area. So this one is the second idea for you, which is stress reduction is used as a money plant. Now the fourth one, which is feng shui. Money plants are considered auspicious in feng shui and has a believed to bring good luck and prosperity. Placing them in the wealth area of your home or office is believed to attract the financial abundance. This one is the fourth idea of feng shui. Money plants is used as a feng shui. This one is the idea suggested for you. And now the fifth one, which is indoor plant decor. Money plants can be used in various indoor plants, arrangements and a display that can grow in the hanging basket, placed on the shelves or trailed to climb on the moss poles or the trellis. This one is the idea for you, which is money plants used as a indoor plant decoration. Now the sixth one, which is gift option. Money plants make excellent gift for the house wearing, birthdays or other many of competitions or occasions that have a low maintenance and then can thrive a variety of indoor conditions. So this one is the main important, which is gift option. Money plants uses also as a gift option. Now the seventh one, which is price of money plants, which has the price of money plants can vary depending upon the factors such as the size, its variety, its location, where the purchasing them. Generally, the small to medium size money plants can range from $5 to $20. This one is also depending upon the location where you can purchase from that area. Or more mature plants will cost more than $20. Remember that caring for plants in the relative easy, the prefer indirect light, moderate watering, allowing the soil to dry between watering as well as draining, potting, mixing, and regular pruning and association fertilization can be promote health growth of money plant. So these are the some dependence and some ideas which is for you, and here are the some detail about money plants which is varieties. Money plants are the available various varieties including the golden pothos, marble coin pothos, jade pothos, and neo pothos. These varieties differ in leaf coloration, with the golden pothos being most common, feature heart-shaped leaves with the varied shades of green and yellow. This one is the variety of money plant and growth habit. This is the second detail, which is money plant or a vine plant that naturally trail or climb. They can grow several feet long, make them suitable or a hanging basket or a trending to climb on the supporting such as moss poles, trellises or walls. Number third, which is propagation. Money plants are easy to propagate. They can propagate through steam cutting. Simply cut a healthy stem with at least 2 or 3 leaves and place it in water or a wall draining, potting, mixing, and root will develop, and you can transfer the cutting to a pot. This one is the propagation. So remember that the while money plants are relatively silent, still requires some care. So I hope you are enjoying from this video. So please subscribe our YouTube channel 90 Addiction. For more interested videos, please also press the bell icon for more interested videos. We are uploading a lot of series about planting, gardening, metal art, home decor, and many of you are interested. So keep watching, keep thinking. Next video.